some kind of zone of danger. It's crazy. It's like you watch that show and you're like, oh, that's so crazy. And then you watch Rick and Morty and you're like, holy shit. I'm Pickle Rick. I'm Pickle Rick. Just casually walking through the battle zone. Same team! That sounds badass. Nope. Watch out for the store. Got me. Am I walking? Oh, fuck up. He's green. Oh. I'm trying to get Randy, but it's kind of hard to. Did you just shoot them all? Where's Randy? Get him in. I just heard screaming. Not going that way. I approve. Watch out. Oh, hit it. Good job. No, they cleared them out. Crap, they cleared all y'all. Holy shit. It's like take a number. Damn, dude. This is red spawn. Purple car. And behind purple car. Wait, he's green. Where's he going? Movie seat. Guys, coming around. Watch the side. Watch the left. Guys, you're going to fight the White House. booth. I just don't wear them. I choose comfort.
I love playing airsoft. This is so fun. Are y'all having fun playing airsoft?
Is there a fast pass so I can actually get ahead of the line? So I just started spawn. Oh, that kid.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Oh, look at this. Look at this blitz, man.
There it is.
I thought you were gonna keep the barrel socks on and just like the NASCAR video for Thursday.
Oh my god, that was nice. Derp, derp. What the hell's going on? Derp, 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 derp. I don't understand. Derp, 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 derp. Oh. Oh. Oh yeah, that's not gonna help me.
I'm trying to help you so I can see you.
I got it. I got it.
Okay.
I recorded that whole jerk off too.
I know you did. It was right quick.
Oh, they turned off the light? Why? This one. This one was on.
It's not that dark to me. Tinted motherfucker.
Hey, this tint protects me from the sunlight, okay? Holy
When
shit.
do you ever play outside?
The UV coming from the fluorescent light is cancerous.
Oh yeah, you're right.
That's why we're all dumb. Our ancestors had to figure everything out through candlelight. That's our guy.
Come on. I want to shoot him. Hit. What?
Be very, very quiet. I'm hunting rabbits. Okay. Thanks. Is that our guy? Nope. What? Wow, there's a lot of people in here.
That's the sound of the police. Whoop, whoop. That's the sound of the beat.
Okay, go back in the middle of the field again. I was actually doing good out there. Oh yeah. Oh, good shot. he's behind the Jeep. I see it. Alright. Help!
Alright, 1 5 left cross. You're left, all right.
He's like all the way at White House.
Over at 25. 1 behind the wall.
My wall?
2 behind the wall.
Which wall?
3.
Purple car! Purple car! I'm trapped. Purple car. Damn it!
Sorry, dude. You didn't say how many contacts you had.
I only saw one like 2 minutes ago.
Hey! I need some cover.
We need some cover.
Hit!
I heard that one.
Hit!
How do you
Hit.
keep getting in here
Hit.
more?